In your home or building, if you have multiple separate systems, automation, security, energy, multimedia, all speaking different protocols, they can now be unified and controlled on a single automation server, fully integrated with one another. One device manages them all, and if needed, it works locally, in your home or building, even without internet. As a site grows, its automation often outgrows a single server, separate buildings, separate blocks, a server of their own for each. But there's still just one operator. Opening a separate screen for every server, logging in again and again, chasing alarms one system at a time. Running a large site that way wears you down. That's exactly what BMS Master and BMS Slave are for. You install BMS Slave on each server and BMS Master on the main one, and they take it from there. Slave opens up its own server's graphic pages. Master brings those pages inside its own screen. So the whole site comes together on one screen, in one session. Now the operator sits in front of a single screen. Moving from one building to the next takes no new window and no second login. Each server's live graphic screen opens right inside the main one. And as you move through a building's own pages, the screen never reloads. No waiting, no break. As if it had all been one system from the start. Once the screens come together, so do the alarms. Alarms from every server gather in one place, so the operator sees what's happening in which building from a single point and nothing slips by. Bringing a new building in takes a few minutes. You enter the server's address and log in, pick which page will be the way in, and the application makes the connection itself. You can bring up to 10 buildings into one main server this way. All of the connecting runs on your own servers, on site. No data goes out to the cloud. Your setup backs up into a single file, ready to restore whenever you need. BMS Master and BMS Slave install from the Automation Servers store and work in many languages. They bring scattered servers together on one screen in one session. So you run a whole site at a glance.